Welcome to the second training module regarding the use of the controller. In this training module, I will explain the setup of the controller. First, collect all the necessary items. A Windows PC with Steam VR already installed, and a Valve Index headset. 2 lighthouses and 2 controllers. 2 attachment screws and 2 trackers, version 2.0 and upwards. For the first time use, the following steps should be followed. Label the wrist and elbow tracker. Make sure that both trackers are fully charged. Do this by connecting the trackers via the USB cable with the PC. Turn off both trackers by pressing and holding the triangular button in the center of the tracker. The LED flashes and turns off. The next step is attaching the trackers to the controller with the attachment screws. It is important that the LEDs on the trackers face forward. Turn the trackers on by pressing the triangular button in the center of the tracker until the LED is green. First, switch on the elbow tracker. Secondly, the wrist tracker. Switch to the PC and open the Steam VR menu. Open the menu and go to Devices, Controller Settings and Manage Vive Trackers. Make sure that both trackers are disabled. Before every session, go through the following steps. Make sure that the 2 trackers are still connected, with the LEDs facing forward. Switch on the lighthouses and the Valve headset. Now switch on the elbow tracker, followed by the wrist tracker. Press the center button until the LED turns green. Grab the Valve Index controller. Press the button as shown to turn the controller on. Now you're all set up and ready to start.